Cinematic sound delivers extraordinary depth, dimension, and clarity through advanced Dolby engineering. Virtualization creates incredibly expansive and realistic sound for all your entertainment. And when you play content created in Dolby Atmos, you'll automatically get the best possible sound over a Bluetooth connection. Enabling head tracking makes sound seem like it's always coming from your screen. So, no matter where you turn your head, you'll get a realistic sound experience. The Dolby Dimension app will remember your device settings for each paired device to get you into the center of your entertainment faster. Enjoy your show.